Our first speaker on board is Dr. Rajesh Dhingra. Dr. Dhingra has been active in providing the affordable generic medicines in India. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Rajesh Dhingra on stage.
First of all, thanks Cyber Media for giving us such a wonderful platform to share our views, interact with the stalwarts of the industry, and learn valuable inputs from all the experienced people over here regarding the healthcare policy of India. Let me introduce myself. I am Ashwini Bala, partner with Mr. Rajesh Dhingra from Dr. Best Pharmaceutical Private Limited, which is a Startup India project. This company has been launched with a view to provide economical medicines for the people. If we look at the healthcare policy of India, government has been doing a lot of things, but still there are a lot of gaps. At Dr. Best, we are trying to fill up those gaps. In healthcare, almost 67% of the cost is related to the medicines. Rest of the cost goes for the hospitalization, consultation, pathology, and other charges. And we are addressing to those 67% of the cost which relates to the medicines. Definitely, government is doing a lot of efforts to bring down the prices of the medicines, but still there is a lot of gap which needs to be covered. Government has set up a low price medicine shops under its national health policy, which has been named as Jan Aushadhi stores and Amrit stores and generic medicine stores. In those stores, they are trying to sell medicines at a very economical prices, but still they are not able to reach all the nooks and corners of India. Dr. Best is a project which is purely private organization, but still trying to provide economical medicines which are almost 80% lesser priced than the same medicines in open market. In fact, some of our medicines are even lesser priced than the government-run Jan Aushadhi stores. We have faced a lot of challenges when we started this project of Dr. Best. This project was launched around 2 years back. We are at Chandigarh based, and a lot of dignitaries from various fields, regulatory affairs, research and development, and Punjab State Drug Controllers, everyone attended our launch ceremony, and everyone appreciated our effort that there is a private organization which is trying to bring down the prices of the medicines to such a low extent. But that was just a start. After that, we started getting all sort of troubles from the market. Within 2 to 3 days of launching of the company, our company was boycotted by the trade organizations like Chemist and Druggist Associations all over India, particularly North India. We were threatened, we were abused, we were attacked, and there were a lot of pressure put on us to derail our project. Our product samples were taken up and they were highly questioned about the quality of the products. We faced all sorts of problems and ultimately we overcome, and today we are at such a stage that we are already in almost 20 states of the country, and we are growing and establishing in each and every state very, very fast. What we have learned from our experience is that we should keep ourselves motivated. Unless we are not self-motivated, there are a lot of people who are looking at opportunity to crush us. The trade organizations, which are so much used to earn huge profits, they were really getting a lot of setback after the launch of Dr. Best, that if a medicines can be sold at 80% lesser prices, then why the people will buy from the medicines from the other companies which are costing around 400 to 500% more as compared to the Dr. Best medicines. We continued our struggle, and ultimately we reached a stage where we are right now trying to expand into the retail marketing of our products also. We are trying to establish our retail chain also. In whole journey of Dr. Best Pharmaceuticals, there have been a lot of learning curves for us, and we have found that if we can find a very effective way to reach to our audience, then definitely there is a way to success. And definitely Times Cyber Media we are really thankful to it, which is offering us this platform where we can reach to more number of people and put forward our views. Definitely, since it was totally self-financed project, we have looked for funds from various organizations, although whether government or non-government organizations, we didn't get any support, so all we had to do was from our resources only. But definitely, once our voice reaches to the concerned people through such platforms, we are sure that we are going to get a lot of support from the market also, and we are going to take Dr. Best to the newer heights. Thank you.
Please join me in welcoming Mr. Rajesh Dhingra and Mr. Ashwani Bhalla from Dr. Best Pharmaceuticals Private Limited on stage.
Congratulations, sir, on winning the award. May we know how you are feeling right now? And please share with us your viewpoints on the latest technologies in the healthcare sector as well.
Yeah, first of all, feeling on the top of the world for achieving the award. This has been dedicated to all the efforts of Dr. Best team, which has worked tirelessly for making it a success story, despite facing a lot of challenges from the market. And regarding Times Cyber Media, it has offered an excellent platform for entrepreneurs or startups like us to make our voice reach a broader platform, and more and more people know about us.
Great. Any message to the people out there, to the doctors who are attending this event today?
Yeah, definitely. There is a lot of message for doctors who are in a lot of number around here, that if they want to make the medicines or the healthcare affordable for the people, they should recommend the more economical medicines. As the government is also saying, to recommend the generic medicines, so that more and more people can afford it and make use of the economical medicines.